Nice thing about those thin cuts of meat is usually it's like in the bargain bin or the manager special at the grocery store. Don't shy away from that. I love to gravitate towards that because that's where you're going to get some of your best deals. And the thinner cuts are still really flavorful. It's just how are we setting up our grill to cook those thinner cuts? We're just going to set up our grill a little bit differently because when we talk about those thinner cuts, we're going to cook them hot and fast. And what I mean by hot and fast is we're looking at 3 minutes or less a side. One thing you want to make sure of is that you take the time to preheat your grill. For those of you who have like a Sear Zone area, crank that up, man. More BTUs, higher flame. We're able to get to where we want to go quicker. So while your grill's preheating and getting up to those high temperatures, that's when you can be inside seasoning up your food and having it ready. So when you go out to the grill, you're at the command center. You're ready. You're alert. You got tongs in hand and you're ready to flip. So once I put my food on, we're looking at about, most of the time it's between 2 at the most 3 minutes a side. So these are quick cooks. That's why I don't like to wander away from the grill. I'm at command whenever I'm doing these thin cuts because I know it's going to be quick. The other thing too is we want to make sure that we're getting caramelization and not char. So when we put our food on, again, it's all about maintaining and keeping that high heat. Shut that lid. At Weber, we love to say, if you're looking, you ain't cooking. So we want to make sure we keep that lid down. After we take our food off the grill, we want to rest it. General rule of thumb, 30% of the cook time. So I'm resting this 2, maybe 3 minutes at the most, but then we're ready to cut and serve. Don't shy away from thin cuts because you think they're lesser in value. Know that they are full of flavor. They're great value for your money. And it's just gonna have you setting up your grill a little bit differently because you're cooking at quicker temps, so you're able to cook them nice and quick on a grill. I think that covered everything.